So you think you want to be a moonshiner, huh? Well, let me tell you something. It's easy. You should absolutely get into home distilling. I'm going to show you just how easy it is. I'm going to give you the steps. I'm going to give them to you in chronological order just so you can see how easy it is. First, you're going to get you a still. This doesn't have to be expensive. Don't get caught up in all the fancy stuff. In the beginning, just start with a basic still. You can get one off Amazon. A decent little 9-gallon still's barely going to run you over $100. Then you're going to make you a fermenter, or you can buy one, but you can make one out of a 5-gallon bucket. It's going to cost you less than $6. I've already got a video on that. I'll put it down in the description. You can click on that after this video. Next, you're going to need a couple of tools of the trade. A couple different hydrometers. One's called a triple scale and one's just called a hydrometer. The hydrometer measures the proof. The triple scale will help you with specific gravity, which you'll get into later, but you'll get into it quick if you want to, and they're cheap, so go ahead and get it now. Once you've got all your equipment coming your way, next you're going to need your gear. When I'm talking about gear, I'm talking about a still in the clear hat. You'll never get your moonshine right without it. Once you've got that fermenter, whether you built it or whether you ordered it, the first thing you're going to do is make you a straight sugar wash. This is just water, sugar, and yeast. That's it. You're going to use this to clean that new still when it shows up. Then that still is going to show up and you're going to do a vinegar run. I got a video for that too down in the description. I'll even tell you why we do the vinegar run. Spoiler alert, it's for cleaning. After you've done that vinegar run and that sugar wash is ready, you're going to run that sugar wash. That's called a sacrificial run. Just the second step in the cleaning process of a brand new still. Now you're going to find that sugar wash recipe that you want to try. This is a beginner level sugar wash. Some of them use corn. Most of them use corn. Some of them use tomato. There's a ton of them out there. We've even got some on this channel and on our website. And you do a sugar wash recipe right, it makes some good alcohol. And then when that sugar wash is ready, you run it through your still. Guess what? You're a moonshiner now. It's that easy. These are the very basics. And there is a ton more you can learn once you've learned this. Or you can just stick with that sugar wash recipe if you like it. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's really that simple. But if you want to get deep into the weeds with home distillation, there's nothing wrong with that too. And you can come on over to Moonshine for Beginners group at MeWe.com. It's a group we've created specifically to help the beginner. There's a lot of experienced distillers over there that are always eager to answer questions. I'll put an invitation link down in the show notes so you can come join us. We'd love to have you. See you next time.